Hello, my name is Manny Kagan. I'm a mortgage buster, a founder of Money Solutions Academy, and I have a very special guest today, Marla Moresi-Valdes. She is real estate agent with Sotheby's. Now, she is very unique person. What makes her unique? She been with the same company. Well, the company changed the name. She started with McGuire, and then Sotheby's bought them. But she's been with the same company with same people for 20 years. In real estate business, I think it's unusual. Well, what makes her special not only is that, well, she's a beautiful woman. She's going to be her birthday is tomorrow. Okay, so I want to tell she's young woman and birthday is tomorrow. How about that? Okay,
Thank you.
good.
I
So
appreciate it.
happy birthday. We'll go to have lunch after this presentation. I invited her to speak about investment opportunities because we live in very interesting time. Yes, interest rates went up. Properties they start coming down. I read in the papers that actually not all properties are going down. Some of them keep the price, and it's very difficult to get them down. But I believe that now it's a good time to buy. It's better to buy now than it was a year ago. Strangely enough, even though interest rates are higher, and those who will come to my live seminar in this office on next week on Tuesday, January 17th, you'll learn more why I'm saying it and how numbers work and how to prove it. On this date, you also learn from lenders how they underwrite loans for those circumstances. But I would like to ask Marla, why did you buy 4 unit building?
Well, I will tell you this. I started in the real estate business, as you mentioned, about 20 years ago. However, it was about 3 to 5 years prior to that that I started investing in real estate. I had grown up in a family that was pretty prevalent in that kind of investment world, if you will. And I saw the true benefits from owning property, working hand in hand with tenants, making sure the property improved over the years, and really reaping the benefits of the rents coming
Mhm.
in. So, all in all, I've always been a huge proponent of 4 unit buildings specifically because it is still considered a residential loan.
Mhm.
So, the rates are a tad less than, of course, a commercial loan. You have 4 total units. So, if you lose one tenant, you still have 3 rents coming in. They're relatively easy to manage on your own. And overall, I just personally think San Francisco and the general Bay Area, with it being such a strong rental market, even in down times, let's face it, people here need housing. So I truly feel a 4 unit is really the way to go. 2 to 3 units are great as well. Two specifically from a condo conversion perspective. If you
Mhm.
have two owners that purchase together and live in their respective units, you can do what's called a fast track condo conversion. And that's a way to step up your value very quickly, call it within a year to 2 years' time.
You mentioned that rents are going up because
Yes.
this is something which is critically important when you own investment property.
Yes, absolutely. The rental market in San Francisco and the general Bay Area is increasing. I would say in the last year's time, we're probably at about 10% higher in rents from the previous year. Many reasons involved, but first and foremost, let's face it, there's a lot of buyers that were out there a year ago that wanted to purchase, and now unfortunately, due to the higher rates and perhaps maybe losing some funds, some down payment funds
Yes.
in the stock market, that have taken them now out of the buying pool and they're now back in the renting pool. And this has created a competitive field for renters. So we are seeing those rents go up as the property values of multi-units are slowly inching down. So it's really a win-win for
That's
investors.
exactly the word which you took it from my mouth. Win-win. But it's
Mhm.
not so simple. To qualify for a loan, you need really specific information. We have very creative loans to loan programs how to make it. But sometimes the solution is very simple. Like we were working together with Marla on her listing, which is 4-unit building. Tenant who lived upstairs with incredible view wanted to buy. They were not conventionally qualified. So I found solution. It was not easy way to do it. Remember, we had issue with appraisal. I have to go to different lender. So there was a lot involved. And this is what happens. So not everyone can buy, even you want to. But at the same time, if you have 4-unit building with only 5% down, and you intend to occupy one of those units, and you have good income, oh, I can help you. There's so many other ways to help. And this is why I am inviting you to join us on January 17th in this office. You have the address 350 Gellert Boulevard, no, 355, sorry, 355 Gellert, Suite 230, but you probably received the email anyway. So I am looking forward to seeing you. Meantime, thank you, and I promise to help you. My name is Manny Kagan.